Welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Tuesday the 3rd of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold, which is now hitting, or has sort of pretty much all but hit the target. 1236 was the target from this early 2018 top pattern. Apply to 1236, and today's low is 1237. So, and that 1236 also coincides with the reaction low from December, the key reaction low, and also a big long-term uptrend as well. This blue line here, this solid blue line. So you've got this confluence of levels around 1236 area, and the market has rebounded this morning as the dollar has weakened. You look at the momentum indicators. The RSI is stretched 25. That is historically stretched, but it's all still very negative. And you'd still say that arguably rallies have to be seen as a chance to sell in that environment. I mean, you got this downtrend that was, I suppose, broken by yesterday's sort of early rebound, but was sold off into the close with another bear candle, and it looks as though that, I have to redraw that, to be honest, but and give it a shallower downtrend, but still a downtrend nonetheless. But today's move is interesting. It has unwound, but it's only unwound again to the latest sort of breakdown level, 1245 area. Old support becomes new resistance, and that has been a feature throughout the sell-off. Old support 1260 becomes new resistance. It's 1255. Old support becomes resistance, and 1245. If the market starts sort of breaking up about 1245, it could start to improve, and then 1255 becomes the key level to watch. RSI on the hourly, that needs to sort of hold consistently above 60, moving towards 70 and above in sort of if the market is to really sort of start to pull a recovery. But 1255 looks on this chart to be that reaction high that is sort of key near term for recovery, and that is the high sort of Friday and Monday. So if you can get above 1255, then you could start to see a bit of a recovery sort of playing out. But it's ultimately just a near-term recovery. It would be within still the medium-term bear outlook. But interestingly, holding on to that long-term support and the confluence of around 1236. So yeah, this is it's still a bit of a crossroads, I think, for gold, but it is interesting that we have ticked higher basically from that support and target today. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.